I'm Ethan Kwan, and today I'm going to be doing a little debate, I guess. So the debate is about pi and tau. I know this is an interesting debate, actually my first ever debate on my YouTube channel, but there's not a second person to argue against. So, yeah. Pi versus tau. And pi is this decimal expansion here. So 3.14 and so on. And tau is 2 pi, so 6.28 and so on. So we're gonna have a little friendly debate with pi and tau. So who will win? So let's just finish and cover up something. So pi, the difference between pi and tau. So pi is the circumference over the diameter, but tau is the circumference divided by the circumference. I don't think I spelled that right. Yeah, I didn't. Oopsie. I don't think I spelled the pi one wrong either. So it's the circumference over the radius. Okay. So, what is the relation? What is the relation between tau and pi? Well, tau. Oops. So tau is. Okay, so tau, just switching colors. So tau is equal to 2 pi. Okay, with that out of the way, let's get this debate started. Okay, so first point, literally. Yeah. So first point is first point. Let's say you were given a circle. Right? So a circle is just a circle, right? You are asked to find the midpoint. Now, one way to do this is to just randomly guess, and this strategy will not work out well for you. The next strategy is to actually draw two diameter lines and find the midpoint like that. That is much more efficient. Okay, so this time pi wins because pi is equal to circumference over diameter, but not, the other one's circumference over radius. So, yeah, how would this even work? Yeah. Okay, so pi gets 1 point. Pi gets 1 point. Yeah, pi gets 1 point. Yeah. Pi gets 1 point. That's what I just wrote. That's what I just said. Okay, whatevs. So pi gets 1 point. Anyway. Okay, so, So now let's talk about the unit circle, and that's a circle with radius 1, and you learn about this in trigonometry. So what about drawing a sine wave? So a sine wave is just something you'd learn in trigonometry. If you haven't studied trigonometry yet, I beg you to study it because I am not going to explain it. Well, maybe. So we got pi over 2 pi, 3 pi over 4, and 2 pi if we're using pi. So this is what the sine wave looks like. You have to do this extra conversion of multiplying by 2 every time. So that's kind of a pain. That's really annoying to do. So, well, at least I got my sine wave. Okay. Now, what is the relation between these two things? The sine wave and the unit circle. You have no idea. Okay. So let's use tau instead of pi. So I'm just going to use the yellow. So here's another unit circle, and so I'm going to use it in terms of tau. So tau over 4, and then there's tau over 2, halfway around the circle. There's 3 tau hello. There's 3 tau over 4, and finally there is tau. Okay, so the first one is tau over 4. At tau over 4, you go a fourth around the circle. That's 1, and then at tau over 2, it is 0 again. And then finally, at 3 tau over 4, you get almost around the circle, 3/4 around the circle, so it's at -1. And at tau, you are all the way around the circle, and you finish the sine wave. This is the most intuitive way to draw a sine wave. Okay, so now tau gets 1 point because, well, yeah. So we have a tie on our hands. Don't worry, there are more rounds. Okay, so what about e to the I pi equals -1? Are you saying we should ruin it by making it e to the pi I tau over 2 equals -1? No, of course not. This comes from Euler's formula, which is e to the I theta equals cosine of theta plus cosine of theta plus I sine of theta. So this is pretty cool. Now we can get this. Sorry, bathroom break coming up. Sorry, people. Bathroom break. No, yeah. Sorry. Just gotta wait for me to get back. Come on. Oh well, at least you have a lot of time to look at my drawings. Anyway, I'm back. Okay, so what happens if we replace e to the I pi with tau? We get cosine of tau, not pow. Now cosine is equal to x and so that's 1, and then it's plus sine of theta. Sine of tau. I'm trying to say, yeah. I'm trying to say pow for some reason. Anyway, so cosine of theta plus I sine of theta is equal to 1. Cool, huh? Okay, so tau gets another point. Okay. So what about the area formula? Pi r squared. Area equals pi r squared. Now, would you really want to make it tau over 2 pi r squared? That's just kind of gross, like math terms. So now pi gets a point because it's better at doing the area formula. So it's 2-2 again, a tie, woohoo! Okay, so yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna put out some downsides to using pi. So, there's my head. Can you move your head out? Can me move my head out? That doesn't make any sense. So the downsides of pi. A. It's just a number. It's not anything special, really. So, you might say it goes on forever, so that's why it's so cool. And I'm gonna say, so what? A lot of numbers have infinite digits. For example, 1 over 3 has infinite digits. And it's just as long as pi. It's just as long as infinite pi for the digits after the decimal point. It's also not infinite. It is between 3 and 4, and 4 isn't infinite. Neither is 3. Okay. So point B. How much? Pi does not equal pi in different spellings. So how much pi is this? You might think this is 1 pi, but it's not. It's actually 2 pi. So that's confusing. The only so the full 360 degrees of a circle have, so this is pi, and this is pi over 2, and this is 3 pi over 4, and this is 2 pi. This is so weird. Like, why would they make pi equal 2 pi? So the really thing that's really special about pi is that it's formed from so many simple origins, a line and a circle. Surely there aren't any other shapes that do this. Oh wait, never mind. They do. Look at these. Look at these examples. OMG. I thought there weren't any except for pi. OMG, this is so weird. Okay. This point goes to tau. I don't know why I'm into graphs lately, but I don't know. So right now, pi score is, wait, what? Okay. 2, 3. Okay, anyway, I forgot the score. Okay. So, then there's the Feynman point in pi. So digit 762 is very interesting. It has 6 9s. 9999999. Look it up. Feynman diagram. Feynman point in pi. Surely tau doesn't have that. Oh wait, it does, and it has one more 9 in it. So weird. Yeah. I don't know if it's at the same place, but whatever. Anyway. Yeah, there's one extra. Okay, so this point goes to tau. Okay, so I like Pi Day. It's still gonna be May, March. Anyway, it's still gonna be March. Wait, what was it? March. So this is gonna be May 14th. But I hope you'll join thousands of people on Tau Day for June 28th. Okay, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, even though Tau won the debate today, I'd like to know what you think. Who won the debate? It's not necessarily my opinion. So, if you want to share your opinion about who won, leave it in the comments below. Okay? Also, please subscribe, and if you enjoy my, subscribe button, and there's a little mouse pointer going to click it. Yay! So if you liked it, please subscribe, and if you enjoy my videos, check out my website, howtodostuffwithethan.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Oh, also check out, if you're not convinced, check out tauday.com and the Tau Manifesto by Michael Hardo. Bye!